Right, so I got sent this wig. I'm gonna try and resurrect it while I'm at home. I'm gonna show you all the products I've used in making it come alive, and I might add a dash of color to it as well for my lady. I think wigs are a great alternative during lockdown. Nothing beats a weave or extensions, but it's a good alternative. And or failing that, just let your hair go all natural. Afro hair clients anyway. Anyway, I'll take you through it, and hope you like the result. It doesn't look like much of a wig at the moment, but it will do when I'm finished with it. Okay, Carabelle, let's do this. Yep. Right, let's see how the future will be with masks. It's gonna be hot. Right, so that's the first stage. So some freehand colouring, a bit of highlights and lowlights, and gloss in between. So let that take, and see how it goes. Stage 1.5. Right, take a minute. Let's tidy up here. I didn't get on with the masks. They're probably a bit too heavy, so I'm going to have to find some lighter ones. A message for all my fellow hairdressers out there. I'm going to have to go for the breathable ones, because the made-up ones that I've done, they couldn't last 5 minutes. It's important when you wash wigs, or extensions for that matter, to try and go the same way. It's good just to squeeze and not rub too much vigorously as you would do on someone's head. That just helps and prevents the scratching. Okay babes, I'll open it for you in a sec, okay? Right. So now I've got all those off. Happy to remove that. So all coloured up, rinse and treated. I'm just going to leave this treatment on now for a while, and then come back to give it a trim and style it. Yeah, it's looking nice. As you can see, the only combing was done, or the brushing at the basin, when it's wet. This is what I mean by using the sea salt. So if you just spray the sea salt on it and just leave it to dry, you get that really nice natural wave beach look. That's Carabelle. In terms of keeping it safe, in terms of keeping it nice and moist, all you have to do is just twist it round, twist it into the center, spray with an ample amount of argan infused conditioner, and just wrap it up. So just twist into two, just twist it round into the pattern of the curl. you go. So it's all wrapped up into like a bun. You can shove that into either a hairnet, or I put it into a padded bag so it doesn't get all staticky, if that's the word.